So now I'm building a model of the Titanic's boiler room. Here is one of the boilers. I've coated the inside with clay and painted it over to fireproof it. And here where the 3 boilers will go. Here's the wall. Just gonna put the camera like this so you can see all the boilers. And here's where the watertight door is gonna be. So now, I've built a second boiler room. Here's the tunnel, and I'm going to put the watertight door right here. So this right here would be boiler room 5, and this would be boiler room 6. And I built a catwalk and a ladder. I'm going to have to put some lights in here later, but you see this is further out, because in boiler room 6 there are 4 boilers, but I'm not showing all of them. You'll just get a view like this. And this boiler room, it's gonna be a view about like this. So now I've built the boiler uptakes. Just gonna glue them on here like this, and this one's already glued down. It's plain on that side, but if you just have the camera down in there, you're not gonna notice anything. Got lights too. Boiler room model is all done now. Got all the lights, and here is the watertight door. Just push the stick down and it'll close.